In a lively pocket of Kitchener, close to schools, transit, and shopping, you won't want to miss this duplex offering over 1,700 square feet of living space. I'm Helen from Helen's team, offering a place to call home now and an investment opportunity for your future. Laid out over 2.5 stories on a 43 by 120-foot lot, this property offers loads of indoor and outdoor living space. Rent out or move into the vacant main floor 2-bedroom renovated space and receive steady income from the upper 3-bedroom unit. This property has a bonus main floor workshop space that could be your art studio or additional rental income. Between the 3 parking spaces beside the house and the 2 at the back, you won't ever need to worry about parking. If you love the character and charm of arts and craft era homes and the sustainability of living near the heart of the city, then call Helen's team today because this duplex isn't mine and it should be yours.